Sakso sakan tikon dalni kitakba video na angni mu zera ring wa ar dalo ana simana class 12 physics ni chapter 3 gatani kitakba topic Kirchhoff rules ko rabaha Aching batanggumen chapter rango ohms law ni was kira ni ko dakaha jen wa v is equal to ir ya rule ko ohms law ko jakali aching circuit ni anon potential ba current ba resistance ko amnak tamana takwa matam complicated ung ko pa circuit rango de aching ya law ko jakale ya circuit ni value rango amnak taman cha uno aching mai raksana Kirchhoff rule ko apply anak tamat skagen ya rule menggeni gnang skang ba de jok junction rule geni par ha loop rule junction rule mai ko agana sanchipe aching ya gesa junction ko consider ka engmo ya junction ne ibai pa current sanchipe geni current ibai nga i1 i2 aro enoni current sanchipe menggetam khatang ya i3 i4 aro i5 junction rule ni agana nite mai wana ya current total current entering the junction ya junction na napang ba total current ada ya khatang ba current ni equal nak terang that means i1 plus i2 is equal to i3 plus i4 plus i5 proper definition ko nyawade at any junction the sum of all the currents entering the junction is equal to the sum of all the currents leaving the junction menggeban ba rule ko nyang na yan agana the algebraic sum of change in potential difference around a closed loop involving resistance and cells is equal to 0 since we aching ya closed loop consider khat namon you know potential ya positive untuk ya negative potential flow khat pa v since we aching you know resistance in naha r1 area consider khat na teman gen r2 A, B, C, D. Sanchi aching loop ko hasaka mo A, B, C, D. Aba chingo aching potential V chim. Lekin ya potential V ni asal current flow again positive ni negative na aching ma siya pangnan current de positive ni negative na flow again. Yan ni flow ka imna ya network A, B flow ka ingon potential mamang potential change ung jone ya no de potential change ara ma again 0 del V de 0 again mai na no de mamang resistance tung jo ni potential change ung jo. So tako ba ya B ya network ni jamano ya B to C ang ingon potential change ung mai na ino de resistance tung awa change in potential ba jong gen I R1 mai na chini current flow ka ing pada I chem taw jamano ya no ni ung khatani jamano da batai C ni D na flow ka resistance da batai change potential change ung thai no wa change in potential ba tong gen change in potential 1 change in potential 2 change in potential 3 I R2 lastly ya negative terminal na ipagano daya sum ya total sum ya change in potential algebraic sum of change in potential ra baitong na nangena I R2 is equal to 0 ya total sum ra baitong nak tangena 0 plus I R1 plus I R2 ra baitong nak tanget 0 R1 si ko gisra na ya potential difference ko measure ka ingon change in potential ko measure ka ingon ya current ni direction option aching ya no de B to C measure ka ingon B to C measure ka ingon de change in potential ra positive again along along maba current ode along current ode negative ungen in negative song gen minus IR1 plus minus IR2 takoba current ni against potential measure ka ngang ode potential change in potential positive ong ska gen since we C to B measure ka ngang ode against current area direction ngang ningman against ode change in potential positive ong ska gen hansing batang men session Kirchhoff rule men ma siya ni ko da ka ha tawa no base ka hansing gesa numerical ko solve ka na hansing na question na determine the current in each of the network shown in the figure the figure mo de ya figure ro ya gesa network ong jok AB AC AD aro ya network bang ya network ko flow ka ing ba current ko hansing determine ka nak ta nak gen skang pa ni ching na ya skang ba ching ya ko ya loop ya ko Kirchhoff rule ni loop rule ko Sakale solve ang taman gen. Sekarang buat ya loop A B C ko consider na. In loop A B C A B C A A B C A una flow ka ba play. Anjing sekarang ba ya A o ya battery dong macam ya positive terminal ni current flow ka angin sekarang ba voltage ya unjuk potential unjuk 10 volt Zaman 10 volt yan ni flow ka angin ya current I1 flow ka mo yan no zaman de current speed ang jok so I2 animan gubernur ang jok no I1 plus I1 minus I2 tegena ya network ABO flow ka ing pa current voltage current flow ka ingon voltage change ong minus resistance to ya change in resistance ara negative onggen maina era chung AB kan se mo along the direction of current ini gimana chung onggen bara negative potential change in potential onggen I2 into 4 ohm I2 4 plus tawan chung ya BC ko kan se ngon da batai current ni directional ichi ongya mo current ni directional option ani gon change in potential ba change in potential ra negative onggen aru change in potential ongno current flow ka ing pada ngachem I2 plus I3 into 2 ohm yara onggen negative plus daw chung C A ona flow ka ingon de buta yano resistance ki sa dongo ningman potential change ong tengan aru change in potential ra ya current ni direction option ningman negative ong tenok potential change in potential again I1 into 1 ba minus I1 yara baitong nang tanget 0 ansi ko name direct kana 10 minus I2 4 minus ba 4I2 coefficient ko skang sena 4I2 minus 2 ya ko chung bracket ko break ka inga ode I2 minus into plus minus 2I3 minus I1 is equal to 0 ba minus 4 minus 4I2 minus 2I2 manok minus 6I2 minus 2I3 minus I1 is equal to 0 sorry minus 10 is equal to ating 10 ko paksa chirang yung unok minus 10 ating minus ko common ay mana cancel ka nagtaman gen no de positive unok plus 2I3 plus I1 is equal to 10 equation 1 tau menggepen kepa loop ko hasil kana ya loop A D C A karena ada ini ke flow hangnya in loop A D C A sekarang ba potential long jok 10 sa network A D O potential drop again negative again along the direction of current minus 4 I1 minus I2 daw ya loop daw ating loop DC ko niya ode current ada ya direction of flow ay mo gina ating potential difference measure ka ating ya direction measure ka against the current ini gawin again positive plus 2 I2 plus I3 minus I1 aru lastly loop CA ya loop ode ating daw batay current ya direction of flow ka ingat sini potential measure ka ba ya direction measure ka ingat ini negative ong tan minus 1 into I1 by I1 is equal to 0 ating rearrange ka tayo na 10 minus 4 I1 plus 4 I2 plus 2 I2 plus 2 I3 minus 2 I1 minus I1 is equal to 0 ba I1 for I1 minus 2 I1 minus 6 I1 minus 7 I1 plus 4 to 6 plus 6 I2 plus 2 I3 is equal to minus 10 ating minus ko common rang ode 7 I1 positive unok ya negative unok ya dapat tayo positive on negative unok I3 is equal to 10 ating last kapal loop ko consider ang loop B D E B ya loop B C D E B B C D E B sekarang pa ya B to C potential flow kaingon potential drop again I2 plus I3 resistance lah 2 ohm aru era negative again C to D over negative again along current one element minus 2 I2 plus I3 minus I1 to ino de potential drop tung chawa dengan sini selar untuk 5 plus 5 to 0 plus minus 2I2 2I2 minus 2I2 plus 2I plus 5 is equal to 0 minus 2I1 ko sekarang sini I1 2I1 minus 2 minus 2 4I2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4I3 is equal to minus 5 và 2 có common anh ở đây minus 2I2 minus 2I3 is equal to minus 5 equation 3 Đoạn chứng last kapa loop ko consider kang na loop B C D E B in loop B C D E B B C D E B sekarang ba voltage rong jok 5 voltage flow kaya jam current no dengan no de mau potential drop tong jawa dengan no resistance tong ani potential drop tong nok aro ajeng potential different drop measure kaya ngonya direction no measure kaya current ni direction ma opsan uning negative again resistance rong jok sum 2 resistance into current flow kaya rong jok I2 plus I3 Jamano dapat hai ya network CDO current flow rancing resistance rong jok 2 aro rancing voltage drop ko ya current ni direction no measure kaya uning uko ba negative again resistance rong jok 2 current flow kaya rong jok I2 plus I3 minus I1 lastly ancing ya loop ya biona iba plingon mamang potential drop tung jawa uning wade ancing uko de 0 ano ya total ajibik samar mai angen 0 to ancing ko solve ko angna 5 minus 2I2 minus into plus minus 2I3 minus 2I2 minus 2I3 minus into plus plus 2I1 is equal to 0 to ancing I1 term ko sekarang sena I1 2I1 term kependung jaha minus ancing I2 term gini donga minus 2I2 atau minus 2I2 total onok minus 4I2 minus I3 term bagi gini donga minus 2I3 atau minus 2I3 total onok minus 4I3 is equal to 5 ko paksa siya onde negative onok minus 5 equation 3 daw ancing equation ko solve nagta equation 1 meng equation 2 ko add kagen chimode ancing I1 ko nagta mamgen adding equation 1 and 2 ancing equation 1 rong jok I1 plus 6I2 plus 2I3 is equal to 10 7I1 minus 6I2 minus 2I3 is equal to 10 ancing ko add kagen chim onde plus I1 plus 7I1 paitong onok 8I1 plus 6I2 minus 6I2 ra 0 onok plus 2I3 minus 2I3 ba 0 onok is equal to 10 plus 10 de 20 this implies I1 is equal to 20 by 8 baik ko ancing cancel kagen chim onde 4 chi cancel kat mangen 4 2 are 8 4 5 are 20 5 by 2 ba 2.5 ampere ancing I1 ni value ko makna ha 2.5 ampere ancing I1 ni value ko makna ha 2.5 ampere daw ancing ya value ko equation 1 no substitute kana substituting I1 is equal to 2.5 ampere in equation 1 I1 ni kalau macam saya kena 2.5 plus 6I2 plus 2I3 is equal to 10. But 6I2 plus 2I3 is equal to 10 minus 2.5. That's no, 6I2 plus 2I3 is equal to 10 minus 2.5, 7.5. Equation 4. And dapat tayo equation 3 at sing I1 ni value ko substitute ka ang ode. Putting I1 is equal to 2.5 ampere in equation 3, 2 into I1 ni pala si mais again 2.5 minus 4I2 minus 4I3 is equal to minus 5. This implies 5 minus 4I2 minus 4I3 is equal to minus 5. 5 ko paksa je ang onde minus 4I2 minus 4I3 is equal to minus 5 minus 5. Minus 4I2 minus 4I3 is equal to minus 10. Equation 5. Now, ansing ya equation kayak gini ko add up kayak balance warna kayak saya value ko I2 by I3 ko matna ansing ya equation ko 2 multiply kayak cuma deh ya plus minus 1 ya cancel out ngimna ansing I2 ni value ko matna kita mat kan multiplying equation 4 with 2 by 2 equation 4 by 2 and adding with equation 5 comma equation 4 ko 2 multiply kayak cuma ada 6 into 2 12 I2 plus 3 into 2 4 I3 is equal to 7.5 into 2 2 5s are 10 2 7 14 15. Tawag sing equation 5 ko ina-add ka ngayon ode minus 4I2 minus 4I3 is equal to minus 10. Add ka nga sign change udah minus 1 again 12I2 minus 4I2 rong ngono 12 minus 4 8I2 plus 4I3 minus 4I3 0 ngono is equal to 15 minus 10 no 5. But this implies I2 is equal to 5 by 8 ampere. Ansing o unknown variable lagi tham dong achim I1 I2 aro I3 ansing I1 meng I2 ko da mana ha ni daw I3 ko nag da ansing je yan ni je equation no ba gini value ko substitute kai am nag taman gan ansing equation 1 ko ansing na putting values of I1 and I2 in equation 1 6 into I2 ra baita cuma sini 5 by 8 plus 2I3 plus I1 ra sini macam 2.5 is equal to 10. This implies 530 by 8 plus 2I3 plus 2.5 is equal to 10 by 2I3 is equal to 10 minus 2.5 minus 30 by 8. This implies 2I3 is equal to 7.5 minus 30 by 8. I3 is equal to 7.5 into 8 minus 30 by 8. 2 by denominator into 2. 7.5 into 8 8 5 40 4 carry 8 7 56 60 60.0 by 60 minus 30 divided by 2 into 8 16 Ba I3 is equal to 30 by 16. Anjing ko simplest form mana apa nama again? 2 cancel ke 8, 2 1 2 2 5 15, 2 8 16. Ba 15 by 8 ampere. Anjing I3 value mana ha? 15 by 8 ampere equal to 15 by 8 ampere. Anjing ni kita unknown current kon mana ha? I1 ko mana ha? 2.5 ampere, I2 ko mana ha? 5 by 8 ampere, I3 ko mana ha? 15 by 8 ampere. Daw anjing ya value ko jakale current across network ko determine kan ta man gen. Sekarang anjing ya network ko sekarang A to B. A to B across network A to B ba simply say na A to B across AB current ara baita current flow ko yang barong nya cuma sini I2 ni value ra baita is equal to I2 ni value anjing mana ha 5 by 8 ampere 5 by 8 ampere. Tahu across AC ba CA ya across CA anjing ni current flow ko yang barong jok ya directional current flow ko yang so across CA current flow ko yang barong ha I1 anjing ni I1 ni value ara baita cem 2.5 ampere. Tadi menggunakan across AD. Across AD rong jo current flow ko yang barong macam sini I1 minus I2. Values ko put kat sini mode 2.5 minus I2 rong macam 5 by 8. 2.5 into 8 minus 5 by 8 is equal to 20 minus 5 by 8 ba 15 by 8 baik kau sing nak bagian cuma ada 17 by 8 ampere. Tahu across DE across DE dia sing current flow yang barang jok I3 ni value baita cem 15 by 8 ampere by ko sing simplify ka ang onde mix fraction na bang onde 17 by 8 ampere. Tahu menggunakan network rong jok across EB yang ubah current I3 flow ka inga so option again 17 by 8 ampere across BC. Across BC current flow yang berapa I2 plus I3 sini I2 dah baita cen 5 by 8 plus I3 lah simple fractional posina CM option 5 plus 15 by 8 by 20 by 8 4 2 8 4 so 20 by about 2.5 ampere no across BC mana ha sing daw last ni na across CD I2 plus I3 minus I1 I2 ni value 5 by I2 5 by 8 plus I3 15 by 8 minus I1 ra baita cem 2.5. Sini ko count na 5 by 8 LCM rong yang sini 8 5 plus 15 minus 2.5 into 8 5 plus 15 20 minus 2.5 into 8 ra baita kan 5 5 sa 40 16 ya ba 20 by 8 ba 0 current. Tala bang buat session dia yang non macam teh ha. Sang benar jeng Wheatstone bridge ni mana sekiranya kau tak angsa kan. Betul lah.